Hello friends of the Growing Cars Show. Today we're unboxing a real JDM icon in 1/64 scale, the Hot Wheels Honda Civic EF90 HYX90, part of the 70s versus 90s series, number 28 out of 250 for 2025. This casting comes in a striking lime green with bold VTEC graphics and golden rims, a small but faithful tribute to one of the most loved Hondas of the 90s. Let's talk about the real car, the 1990 Honda Civic EF. This hatchback became a legend thanks to its V16A engine, a 1.6-liter DOHC VTEC with a 160 horsepower. Compact and lightweight, the Civic EF combined everyday practicality with racing spirit, quickly becoming a favorite in the tuner and street racing scene worldwide. The EF's performance was impressive for its era, just 7.5 seconds from 0 to 100 km/h and a top speed of 215 km/h. These numbers, combined with Honda's reliability and huge tuning potential, turned the Civic into a cult car. From the track to the streets, the Civic EF still represents pure JDM culture. This Hot Wheels version captures the vibe perfectly. Bright paintwork, VTEC side livery, and a sporty stance. It's not just a toy, it's a miniature symbol of a golden era in Japanese automotive history. If you love Hondas, this one is a must-have in your collection.